Hi, thank you for coming back to my channel. The ticking that you hear is the Haunted Mansion clock from Disneyland. And today I will be doing an After the Pin for my two Hobonichis and cousins, and then my two Happy Planners. So let's quickly go through those. We'll go through the Happy Planner. This is the one that I'm using for my fitness exercise, which I haven't done in a couple weeks. But this is this week's. As you can see, it looks very plain. I don't decorate it much, but it always depends, it feels like, on my mood. This is for last week, After the Pin. A little bit of washi last week. This is a homemade pencil board that I made, because I do like having something a little more solid than just writing straight on paper. And I like the design on the back of this. So I just went ahead and taped it together and then cut it to size so that it would fit in here, and then I punched the holes for my Happy Planner. This is for the beginning of last week, and then this is the week before. I couldn't remember what I ate, so I just went ahead and left it blank. So this is the Happy Planner Fitness Meal one. This one is also a Happy Planner, but this is I guess my normal planner. So this one, let me show you this. I wanted to show you my bill paper that I've been using, and it's really simple looking. So this is for April because I started filling it up for March, but this is how I am keeping track of my bills, and it's really simple. The sheet itself is from Happy Planner in their collaboration with Disney, and then if I have more bills, it's continued on this side. And my expense sheet looks something similar to this. So it'll say expense, and then the place that I bought it, the date, the amount that I bought it for, and then whether it's a want or a need. Because I'd like to try to keep track of what we're buying. And that way I can really see that maybe I don't need whatever we're buying, or that I'm buying myself. So this is for this week. Again, I don't really advance plan or advance decorate. I just did put a weekend sticker down, and then this is today, and then I'm trying to do a princess thing, and again, I'm not really great, if you can tell by looking at my past spreads, with decorating. It's just sort of a little hodgepodge of things. Mail is on this side. This is for last week, so you can see what I mean when I say I don't decorate too well in advance, or even daily. I just try to have the colors look nice to my eyes when I look at it. And this is the week before, and I went crazy with the stickers. No washi, but lots of stickers. And yeah, I think I can show you this one. This is the week before that. So this is my Happy Planner, and this is my planner. Oh, you know what I want to show you too? I started a reading. I love to read. I just haven't really been able to find the time to read for some reason. So I decided to create, again, this sheet is from the Happy Planner Disneyland, or Disney, Happy Planner Disney collaboration. So I wrote down the book that I'm reading. It's still the first book of the year, and I've only read 2 chapters. And I figured, so there's 23 chapters in this book called The Merciful Crow by Margaret Owen. I read it before. It's a good book. And the second book is out, which is the book that I'm trying to get to, but I wanted to read this book first. But there's 23 chapters, and I figured I would color in a square each time I read a chapter, thinking that it would help me read the book. And as you can see, I've only read 2 chapters. And then I used markers to color in Mickey and Minnie, and it doesn't bleed through. So this is my reading chart. Hopefully when I see you next week or the week after, this will be filled in. Actually, I'm waiting for the ebook to come back to me, so this will not be filled in. Okay, so let's go to my cousin. So this is my cousin. I am using this as my gardening journal planner, keep notes. So, you know, I've been cutting out pictures from catalogs and then pasting them in. So let me take you to last week, because I need to catch up for this week. So this is last week's. And here I just quickly jot down what I did, if I did anything at all, so that way I can go into the daily pages and do what I need to do. So this is the past 2 weeks or so. And I started a single seed challenge. So that's why you see the numbers up here on top. And then let's go to, so like I said, I need to catch up because I haven't done anything. So this is what my daily pages look like. And then I put in the pictures afterwards. If I did a lot on one day and not anything on the day before, I will cover it with a picture of a flower, vegetable, like I did here. So that's what my gardening journal looks like. I really am trying to get my garden up in the back. And I'm having a hard time remembering what I did last year when certain things happened, when the mosquitoes came out and started to attack, when my avocado, say, went into flower. So I'm hoping that this will help me for next year when I look back, so I know what I'm doing. This is a bag from Daiso, which is housing my cousin, Cookie Monster, A5. And let me show you. So I didn't do much in here either. Again, haven't been able to find much time. So I don't know if you follow, I love space astronomy. And so NASA sent up Perseverance up to Mars. Can you see that? So last year in June or July, I printed tickets. You were able to sign up and put your name on a boarding ticket, and it would be sent to Mars on this rover. And so I put it in for my husband and myself. And so this is our ticket showing that we were going to land on the 18th. So it was really fun. So this is what the ticket looked like. This one's my husband's ticket. And then on the page itself, I wrote about Perseverance. And yeah, everything about the little rover. Instead of sketching, because I was using this cousin as a doodle watercoloring art journal with my Hobonichi challenges. But today I decided, or on the 18th, I decided that I wanted to put in my 2 tickets and then write about Perseverance, because I think it's just pretty neat that our names are up there on that planet, on Mars, with other people. And so this is blank because I need to get back in and doodle. I think the last one was the Phoenix, the mermaid. I don't know if you can see it. It's in pencil. This was my werewolf. If you watched Abbott and Costello, this is the Abbott and Costello with the werewolf. So I was trying to do my version. This is the dragon. I don't know if you can see the donkey. And this is the dragon from Shrek. And then again, I need to go back in with the marker. I sort of finished this Kappa one, drawing the real Kappa there. Pizza on the ground. And then the front of this is where I try to keep track of what I'm doing on a weekly basis. So this is this week's. Again, I need to fill this in and color and decorate it. But this is for last week. The stickers are from the Happy Planner. I think they're called the Stick Girls. I really love the way they look, so I have them on this page. Mails on this side. And instead of writing down exactly what time I did something, I just sort of, I guess, bullet point what I did that day. And then I just added my own little sticker girls into the days. And this one is the week before. And as you can see, I sort of don't fill in the weekend. But then this is the week. And this theme, I think I was going with a panda. Oh yeah, so it was Chinese New Year. So then I went with try to go with a Chinese theme. But I went with the pandas. And then cat theme the week before that. So I need to finish doing that. And that is it for my After the Pin look with my 2 Hobonichi cousins and the 2 Happy Planners. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe, and I hope you're warm if you're, I guess, everywhere else in the country. It looks like you're freezing. Here in California, our temperatures have been really nice. But take good care, and I will see you next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.